Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TENX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. This is now the third day in a row I've done the analysis, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. And I want to get just a couple things updated here as we head into the weekend. Today wasn't, a hugely exciting day, but it wasn't a terrible day either. I'm sure the bears made a little bit of progress, but it's not like the entire chart's ruined. I mean, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build some higher bases and therefore continue on with kind of the bounce that they've been working on. So that's mainly what I want to focus on here. First update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about, this point of support right here at right around, I don't even remember what I called that, about 75 cents. And you can see multiple times price was just, bears were trying to press down through it and the bulls were doing a good job, but then bears finally won out there. Price did drop below it. So therefore, 75 cents would now be considered the initial area of resistance going into next week. In the event the price can push through that 75-cent area, then the next key level, which has really established itself now, is right up here at about the 92-cent area, 93, whatever we'll call it 92. You can see here quite a bit of price history right up around that area multiple times. The bulls have tried to push up through there, but the price has just continued to get smacked back down. So 75 cents and then 92 cents, initial areas of resistance on any sort of bounce. But the key thing here, and in my opinion, the top priority has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's more so just maintaining levels of support and building a higher base. And the higher base is there at 60 cents. I don't want to go through it all again just because, I've been saying it the past couple of videos, but just to quickly kind of recap why 60 cents is so important. It goes along the logic of, price movements that with true strength, a bounce that's really a bounce is, well, it's going to continue to bounce. It's going to continue to make progress forward. And that's where 60 cents comes into play. Any sort of closes below 60 cents, or if it pulls back, at that point in time, that's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here a little bit more, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, you got stair steps continuing to progress in the upwards direction. So that's why to me, 60 cents, really the top priority next week. And as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls still have a chance to build that higher stair step, and that's what it's all about. If there are any other questions, please let me know. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.